Hey guys, it's Becky. Welcome back to my channel and another quarantine grocery haul. We didn't get a lot, so I'm really thankful for what we do have, but we didn't get a couple of the basics that I needed, like bread and hamburger buns and broccoli florets. I can live without the broccoli, but I'm really upset about the bread. There was no bread whatsoever. So anyway, we did get quite a bit of stuff. I thought I'd share with you guys what we got this week and also a meal plan that I'm going to do, because I had a list made of what I wanted to make, but obviously some of that was dependent on what we found at the store. So after I show you everything that we did get, I'm going to sit down and do my meal plan for the next week or so and kind of show you guys what I'm planning to make with what we do have. So starting over here, I got 4 blocks of the Simple Truth Colby Jack cheese and also some American singles for hamburgers. The girls' cookies that they like, which are like Oreos, they're actually really good. 5 gallons of milk, which with 4 people lasts about a week and a half, but it doesn't last very long. Also got 2 more boxes of my husband's coffee and some organic mozzarella cheese, a thing of organic orange juice, Leap and Lemurs, which is my favorite cereal for breakfast. My husband wanted a frozen pizza, so I got him that one. 2 things of the Nature's Path chocolate chip waffles, which the girls love. 4 boxes of their granola that they eat all the time. It's the Nature's Path pumpkin seed and flax. They love that. I got 2 things of these Bob Evans mashed potatoes, a thing of Italian dressing, Parmesan cheese, more lunch meat, which I got the smoked turkey breast and the Black Forest ham. Also got more chocolate chips because the girls are going through those like crazy. I got Loki a can of food for a special treat. I also got some bacon, 2 things of organic syrup, 2 boxes of elbow noodles, 2 bags of organic animal crackers. I did get chicken this week, so I got 4 packages of organic chicken breasts. I've also got the Simple Truth organic chocolate pudding for me. I didn't know they even, if the girls want it, I guess they can have it too, but I didn't know they even had that, so I was excited to get that. A bag of baby carrots and 2 boxes of Annie's cheddar bunnies, 2 bags of the Purdue organic pre-cooked chicken strips, and then also a pack of gum, 4 boxes of macaroni and cheese, and I think that's everything. I have a surprise second part of the haul I wasn't expecting. This is most of the stuff that I couldn't get from Kroger Click List. I did a Whole Foods Amazon Prime delivery, which I have never done before. I will say it's pretty awesome. I didn't get exactly what I wanted, but I got close. I ordered a bunch of broccoli florets. They only had 1 bag, so I got that. I got some organic mozzarella cheese, 2 things of organic flour tortillas because I have a feeling we're gonna be doing a lot of quesadillas. I also got 4 loaves of bread. Normally I would get organic bread, but that was all they had. At least it's non-GMO, so I feel like it's a better option than just conventional white bread. Same thing with these. Nobody has hamburger buns, especially not organic ones or more natural, so I got these brioche hamburger buns. They are non-GMO, so I figured at least that's a better option than a conventional hamburger bun, and we love brioche rolls anyway. And then I also got quite a few cans of green beans. Not as many as I wanted. We go through green beans quite a bit, but at least I got a couple, quite a few to stock up. So 4 cans of that brand, which I've never tried before, and then 2 cans of that brand, and then I got a can of tomato paste so I can make homemade spaghetti. So I'm pretty happy about what we got because, like I said, we were completely out of bread, we were completely out of tortillas, we were completely out of broccoli, so 1 bag is better than nothing. And now that we have some hamburger buns, my husband will be more willing to cook out hamburgers tonight on the grill. So I'm gonna sit down and do our meal plan for this week and some or all of next week, and I thought I'd share it with you guys. Make sure you don't forget to scan your receipt with the Fetch Rewards app so you earn points that you can redeem for gift cards. It'll take a minute for them to load my points just because it's such a long receipt. So make sure that if you don't have a Fetch Rewards account that you sign up for one. It's free, and let's see here. You should get I think you get 2,000 points when you sign up through the link in my description box to get you started. And there's all types of different rewards you can get. Usually I get restaurant gift certificates to all different places. So Applebee's, Bonefish, there's Panera on there. I think Starbucks is on there, Cracker Barrel, Dunkin' Donuts. Let me see if Starbucks is on there. Rainforest Cafe, which you guys know I love. Yeah, there's Starbucks. So it's definitely worth scanning your receipts to earn points. You're spending money at the grocery anyway, so why not get points for them that you can turn into gift cards? So make sure if you don't have your free Fetch Rewards account that you sign up with the link in my description box to get your 2,000 bonus points. Okay, so this is my meal plan. Sometimes I change things around, and I wrote a couple things up here that I'm gonna still look for at like the grocery, like the online grocery. I may check Whole Foods again in the morning and see if they get any more broccoli florets, because we eat broccoli quite a bit. I've talked about that in the last few grocery hauls. I need more broccoli. So anyway, tonight we are having hamburgers. Tomorrow I'm gonna make bacon tomato sandwiches just because I have some tomatoes that I wanna use before they go bad. Then we're gonna have Italian chicken with garlic bread, which is really good and easy to make, and the leftovers are good, so we'll have that the next day as well. Then we'll have homemade spaghetti. The day after that we'll have chicken quesadillas, and then on Saturday we'll usually have something kind of easy like eggs and biscuits or oatmeal, kind of whatever anybody wants, maybe even some pancakes. And then on Sunday we'll have turkey noodle, which is a really weird recipe. It's like, I don't know, it's like Italian turkey, but you put noodles in it. It's really good, I like it. But we don't really know what it's called, so we just call it turkey noodle, or turkey junk sometimes we call it. My husband doesn't like turkey, so I don't know if he'll eat that or not, but he's got a frozen pizza and some other things if he doesn't want that. So this is kind of on my list of things to look out for. And then just two things I've got that I want to go ahead and start using for lunch. Is my camera cut out on me and I didn't get to finish. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure if you're enjoying these grocery hauls and meal plan ideas that you give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.